Hello children, welcome to our online teaching standard 4 subject English. Unit 5 begins in the second session. We have completed poem Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. Let's take in this video today lesson. The name of the lesson is Helen Keller. In this unit 5, what we get the message that you should respect the different things. You should respect if you afraid that thing. You first realize it and then you have to respect that around the people also. In this Helen Keller also, same way we will get the story. So let's begin the story. Helen Keller is the name of one girl. See here already I given you the textbook. You also take textbook with you. If you find difficult words, underline it to write. Okay. So I will read and I will explain you. It was the summer of 1880. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. Alabama is a one state. There is one girl named Helen Keller, born in one family. It was a summer 1880. Her parents loved her dearly and named her Helen Keller. But one day what happened? The baby became ill and she became too much ill that she didn't recover. Everyone was thought that she will be die. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but she is not recovering. All they could say was there is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live. Helen lived. Everyone realized that now she will die, but she not die or not she something happened with her. She alive, but she was not the same after her illness. After the illness, when she got the fever, after so many years, after that some days passed, and she became, it means she recovered, but something is going wrong. She is not like previous. Her mother observed. At last, they found what was wrong. The child could not see or hear. What happened in that fever? She lost her eyes, hearing, and listening. The child could not see or hear. The baby grew into a little girl. Now she became a little girl. Her parents felt sorry for her. They also very upset. But what to do? Helen often cried and held on to her mother. Give the poor child what she wants, her father would say. Though Helen could not hear or see, she was a bright little girl. Some people thought Helen could not learn anything. Her mother did not agree. Helen is very smart, she said, and added, the problem is how can we reach her? She is locked up inside herself. What happened? Due to fear, she lost her hearing and seeing. Then what happened? When she became a little girl, she come to understand everything. Parents also sorry. But she is very smart. Though she can't hear, can't listen, she is very smart. Everyone told that she will not learn anything, but her mother did not agree. She told my daughter is very smart. But what happened? She is locked up inside herself. Helen began to grow wild. Wild means she herself not like what is happening with me. And she became wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty. She was often angry, always angry. And she locked herself and sit inside. She not like to go in a regular proper life because she does not know. Sometimes she even lay on the floor and kicked her feet, crying, kicked her feet like this while she was doing. Her parents thought that they should find a teacher for her. What their parents decided? we will find her teacher. She will teach them. Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll, D-O-L-L, spells doll. She spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand. She made the letters with special hand signs. Helen copied her teacher and spelled D-O-L-L too, but she did not understand what she was doing. Helen liked her teacher. She was very strict but kind. She spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand, day and night, to make Helen understand. What happened? Now, her parents find a teacher. She is a young teacher. Teacher name is Miss Sullivan. She is very strict but kind. She is very strict but kind. Sorry. Now she spelled many words for her and she teach her. Even Helen also like her teacher, though she is very strict. Though her teacher was very strict, Helen like. First word given, her teacher, D-O-L-L, spell. If the child doesn't hear or doesn't listen, they have the different method of teaching by fingers. In the fingers, they are giving the alphabets and with that using they are right. Then what happened? Helen tried. She spelled also after her, but she did not know what she is going on. Miss Sullivan, many lot of words spell for her day and night. She struggled and spelled. And one day what happened? Her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. She spelled there water. Suddenly Helen understood that water means something wet, running over her hand. She understood that words were the most important things in the world. What happened? Miss Sullivan kept her hand, Helen's, in the water. Then she realized, she understand now that something is there. And by observing, by feeling, by touching, she understand and spell the word water. Like this way, she also learned, though she can't hear and can't listen. And she is very happy. Now she is understanding what she is doing. First, she did not know. Means try, but don't cry. If you try for anything, it will be get success. Now, Helen realized that words are very much important. I have to learn, and world is also very important. I have to look, though I can't see. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Now she agreed herself, Helen, that though I can't see, I can't hear, by this method of teaching of these words, I can understand and I can realize the world. Means she not upset. She now become happy. She respect these things. This is the lesson. Very simple and easy. So Helen Keller, it was the summer 1880, Helen Keller was born. Means their parents kept the name Helen Keller. Helen Keller. Due to fever, she lost her eyes and ears, listening skill and hearing skill, and seeing skill. But what happened? Mother agreed that my daughter is very smart, and they brought teacher for her, and teacher taught him by the fingers method, and she also know. This is only the story. You have to read it, find out difficult words, write it. Meanings I will give you on the slides, that you have to write it everything properly. Thank you. See, next slide, I given the meanings. So let's take the meaning. Only few meanings are there. Dearly means lovingly, a lot of loving, love. Illness, a disease or period of sickness affecting the body or mind. Agreed, discussed, important, of great significance. So these meanings you have to write down, difficult words you have to write down, and exercises I send a PDF that you write down. Once again, thank you.